Okay guys, so I have a Mercedes W274 engine. I want to show you guys the dangers of not changing your engine oil just driving. This guy, he skipped the 3 service intervals. On this car. So he said he skipped the 3 service intervals. So I want to show you the dangers of neglecting simple maintenance. So guys, so here you see this. This is sludge. You see this gooey stuff. This is sludge oil. Yeah, you can see this is sludge. This is oil. You see, this is coming from the sump. It's so bad, guys. It's so bad. So the dealership, they said you must change the engine because you can see this is the sump, guys. So just imagine all this. Hey, all this, guys, is coming from your engine. This is caused by not changing your engine oil, just neglecting something simple as oil change. So hey, I don't know, guys. I don't know. Just imagine your engine doing this. Yeah. So you see, this is old oil coming from the sump. Consequences of not changing engine oil. So this will need for us to take the sump off. The sump is gonna need to come off. We try to clean it. We put engine flush. We try to see if it won't cause any damage on the engine. But this is bad, guys. This is so bad. Nah. This is so bad.